Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and today I will show you how you can copy your contacts from the SIM card to the phone. So to get started, we will need to open up our contacts application. Make sure you open up the standalone version of it right over here. As you can see, I am logged into a Google account, which does play a important part into this. So I'm gonna quickly mention before I get started. There's the Google account, and there's like nothing else here. As you can see, we can add an account, but nothing visible apart from that. So with that being said, let's progress. So we're gonna select fix and manage, and then we're gonna select import from file. No, wait, never mind. I think it's gonna be manage SIM. Yep, there we go. So it's a little bit counterintuitive considering it's under manage SIM, but once you select it, it will show you all the contacts on your SIM card. By default, you will be able to import all of them as long as these contacts don't exist on your Google account, because that's by default where the phone will try to import the contacts to. That's also one of the reasons why I did mention this at the beginning. Now on this area, we can drop it down and import contacts to device as an example. Now where you import your contacts is completely up to you. Obviously, if you do it to your Google account, these contacts will appear on every other device that has this Google account signed in. And because these contacts don't exist on the device itself, just on the Google account, I can automatically import all of them now. And also I can deselect ones that I might not want. From there we can choose import. It will ask us if you want to keep or delete the contacts. I recommend keeping them. The reason I recommend so is because these contacts never get in your way when they're on your SIM card, but they provide you with a safeguard. If something would happen to your device, you always have a SIM card full of your contacts. I'm going to select keep. This will tell us how many contacts have been imported. And now when we navigate to contacts, because I did import these contacts to the device, I can now click right here again, and you can see there is a new option, device. And when I select it, it will show me all the contacts that are located on the device itself instead of the Google account. So there we go. That is how you would import your contacts to your device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.